Okay, so I just got home from work. Surprisingly, this came. I ordered it from Korea less than a week ago. Actually, it was exactly a week ago. And it managed to arrive that fast. I was expecting 2 weeks to a month. But I've been excited about opening this for a while. So that's I didn't even know how to open this. It's got a bit of trick to it. Oh, there's a bit of tape there. What can I use to cut that? I'm not going to open this the proper way until after the video. Oh, actually, I will, because it's easy. There we go. It's that easy. Okay, so all of these are packed from the Psychodrive booster set, black and white series. It's 30 there, they're Korean, and I got these for really cheap. It was like £12. Inside you get 5 cards rather than 10, which you get in English packs, or 11 in the classic wizard sets. And they are a pain in the ass to open. And I forgot to bring scissors upstairs with me. Keep in mind, I don't remember the names of most of these, but I'll go through them anyway. Cedar, Grimer, Shinx, Muck, and a Bridge. And you get this little geezer with it. Pack 2. Oh, actually, there's a little thing here you can use to undo the packs. People really care too much about reserving them. I don't really throw them away. Okay, next pack. Blitzle, Munna, Suaru, Experience Share, and I can't remember its name, Mianfu or something along those lines. Pack 3. So apparently you can get 3 X's in one of these boxes in one full art. I know what I want, but chances of getting it, 1 in 3. Meowth, Simisair, Scraggy, Luciana, and Blitzle. I don't think I've had any rares from these yet. This is the back of the card. It's exactly the same as the English versions. Yep, the card sets are the same as the Japanese. So I was expecting the back to be just like the Japanese. Pack 3. Basculin, Luxray, Grimer, Great Ball, I think, and as my first holo, that one, which is kind of cool. I think I already got that in English. I'm going to hopefully do these within about 15 minutes and upload as one big video. If not, I'll do it in one big part and then one small part. Okay, so Swadloon, Munna, Staryu, Kricketune, and Simisage. No, Pansage. No, I think the baby one is actually the Pansage. Or Pansear, I don't know. Getting this shit wrong. So the next pack. Ferroseed, Solosis, Meowth, the Bridge again, and the Evolution of Solosis. So, working on average, you should get 1 EX per 10 cards. Solosis, Ferroseed, Frillish, Simipour, and Shiftry. That's kind of cool. Apologise for my dog barking, he gets like that for some reason. Okay. Scraggy, Kricketune, Staryu. I'm going to finish the rest of this pack, my phone's ringing.